Hello lovely YouTube family, and welcome to another highly informative video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of the easiest and best ways you can actually make as much as 5,000 in fact today from your homes. But yeah, before proceeding to what today's video is about, if you're totally new to the channel or you're a new member, you're highly welcome. And in this channel I am Keep Cares, and I do upload highly informative content majorly about how to make money online, business ideas, business strategies, and how to optimize artificial intelligence in increasing your income sources online. Now, one thing you all need to know in terms of making money online is you need to identify a problem people are always facing every single day, or something people are always buying every single day, every single second. And that's why in today's video we're basically going to be looking at mobile data. We all know that every single person is always buying mobile data, either MTN, Airtel, whatever mobile network it is. We always have someone buying every single second, and that's why I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make that money with these means today. So yeah, you can do this on your mobile device or your PC. It's all the same thing. So let me show you guys how you can actually go about it. Alright guys, so the very first thing you all want to do is to come to the site clubconnect.com. So this is the site we're going to be making our money from. So now the main idea of this particular method is you're going to be buying the data from the site at a cheaper price. Okay, you're going to be buying it here at a cheaper price, and then you're going to add your own profit on top the price you're going to be charging your customers. For example, normal MTN, 50 gig or 500 MB might be 1,000 naira, but then in this site it's actually going to be lower than that. And then in addition to the lower rate you're actually going to be buying it, you're going to add your own profits, and then you charge your customer that particular price. So then you pay the amount the site is actually charging, and then you keep your own profit. So that's the main idea of this style. Okay, so now in order to get started, all you want to do is to click on register over here. Okay, you want to register. Okay, let's register quick. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You want to insert your first name, so I'm going to insert this, and then you want to insert your last name as well. And then after your last name, you want to insert your mobile number. Okay, this is very important because this is actually going to be needed in terms of all your purchases. It's very important. Okay, so you want to insert your mobile number, and then you want to insert an email address. Okay, so I'm going to insert one real quick. Okay, and once you've inserted the email address, you want to insert a password. Okay, this is very important. Make sure you know the password you're inserting, and make sure no one else knows the password for security purpose. Okay, so once you're done with that, all you want to do is to click on register. Okay, so once you click on register, you are basically almost done. Okay, as you guys can see, we basically created the account. So this is what you all want to do. You want to register, and then once you're done with registering, you can actually read through this, or then you can just click on okay. It doesn't really matter. Just okay. All right, so now it's going to take us to the main page. So as you guys can see, we have join, refer, and earn. In case you also want to refer people to earn, you can as well do this. Okay, you're going to be earning 5% store commissions. Okay, but now let's hop into what our main aim is using this site. Okay, so now all you want to do is to come here to buy data bundle. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, if you come to MTN, you can see that normal MTN 30 days plan, for example, you're going to have to pay 1,000 naira to get 1.2 gigabytes and then 5 minutes. Okay, this is for how many days? This is for 30 days, and then we have 1.2, which is still 1.5 gigabyte for 30 days. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. If you come here now, let's say you want to buy the data bundle, and you come here to the network, you select MTN, and then you want to go for 1 gigabyte or 2 gigabyte. So as you guys can see, for 2 gigabytes you're basically going to be paying 546 naira, guys. And as you guys can see over here, MTN charges how much? MTN charges 1,000 naira, won't you? So basically, probably you can add your own, 400 naira profit, and then you can tell them you're selling the 2 gigabyte for 900, and then you use the 500, and then you make your own profit to keep your profit. So imagine doing this for 10 people in a single day. That's basically 400 times 10. That's around 4,000 naira. And then imagine you're doing it for 20 people, even in a week or in a month. You're basically gonna be earning a whole lot. The same thing applies to other plans like Airtel. As you guys can see over here, this is Airtel price, and this is the data. You can see 200 naira. We have 200 MB. This is basically valid days. This is just 3 days, and then we have 7 days. And then all you want to do, let's scroll down. You can see the normal monthly plans. As you guys can see here, we have 1.2, which is 30 days, and it's 1.5 gigabyte. So if I come here again, if I come here to Club Connect and I go for Airtel, let's go for Airtel, and then we look for 1.5 gigabyte. This is direct. This is the normal charge, the normal charge, the normal line, actually normal mobile network actually charges. So all you want to do is to look for the SME. You can see the 5 gigabyte over here. This is 5 gigabyte and it is just 1075 naira. 1075 naira, and this is even, this is 1 2 and this is 1.5 for 30 days. So guys, as you can see, all you want to do is to use this site to make your profit. Okay, you want to use this site to make your profit. 5 gigabyte for 1000 naira. Tell me who wouldn't want to buy this. Just tell me who wouldn't want to buy this. So this is the idea. You also want to do the same thing for Nine Mobile, for Glow Network, and then you want to create your own account and get started. You want to go to Canva and then create a normal flyer or create a normal, poster that you do this, and then you just want to write in all the charges. But yeah, you must note that what you want to do is to get a jotter, and then you want to write down all the prices and then your profits. And basically, you want to create it with a flyer and start advertising. Start telling your friends that you do this business, and then you start making your profit. So guys, as you guys can see, this is actually a whole lot. You can actually earn a whole lot from this business. Now, in order for you to deposit the money, probably the person pays the 1000 naira for this particular, plan. Let's say it's this plan and the person pays 1000 naira. You already have your, 600 naira, profit. In order for you to deposit the money, all you want to do is to come here to deposit the money. Okay, once you come here to deposit the money, okay, it's going to show you the account details you're going to, send the money to. Okay, so it's going to show you the account details. Okay, it's loading. Okay, you want to select the amount you want to deposit, let's say 2000 naira, and then you want to select the cash deposit over here and then click to proceed. Now it's going to provide you with the bank details, and all you want to do, okay, let's say your bank is GT Bank. Let's go for GT Bank. Okay, this is GT Bank over here, and let's put our account number 0460175. Okay, and 9, and then your NIN. You want to insert your NIN as well. Okay, so once you're done with this, you want to click on verify KYC, guys. You want to click on verify KYC. As you guys can see, congrats, your account has been successfully verified. So all you want to do is to click on proceed. Okay, so once you click on proceed, now we can just say 2000 naira and let's say the cash deposit, and then click to proceed, and then it's going to show us the account details. All you want to do is to send the money to this account, and then in just few seconds it's going to show in your wallet. And once it shows in your wallet, all you want to do is to come to buy data bundle. Okay, once you click on buy data bundle, you're gonna see the amount of money in your wallet over here. Let's say I deposit that 2000 naira, you're gonna see 2000 naira over here, and then you want to select the plan your customer already wants. Okay, let's say it's MTN, and then let's say it's 1 gigabyte. As you guys can see, 1 gigabyte is 200 naira, and then you're gonna insert your customer's number. Okay, you're gonna insert your customer's number, and then once you're done with that, you just want to click on buy now, and then you can as well withdraw your your profits, or you can send it, or you can leave it here in the the site, or you can withdraw it to your normal bank account. So guys, as you can see, this is actually a means you can actually make a whole lot of money. You can even do this for yourself. Probably you don't want to spend a lot of money. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from the video and you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I am sure you're also going to be learning a whole lot in the upcoming videos. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and also like the video, and if possible you can as well share it, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.